Ayan, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa ating mga Taurians, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang mga dapat ninyong mga malaman tungkol sa inyong kaperahan, negosyo, business, ayan, money, business and career, and ano ang sitwasyon na dapat ninyong malaman, anong nangyayari, at ano ang advice sa iyo ng iyong guardian angels tungkol sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Okay, this is for the month of September. This is your money reading. Okay, money, career, and finances po para sa ating Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Paalala lang, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat po ng mga manunood ngayon. Okay? Ayan po. Sa mga interesadong bumili ng aking items, let me know. Available pa rin ang ating napaka-powerful all-in-one red bracelet. Madaming mga gandang feedbacks. And by the way, Taurus, if you're interested sa ating money spell jar, meron na tayong feedback. Okay, after a month, nagkaroon na din ng feedback. Ang purpose po nito is tanggalin ang iyong mga blockages. Okay, blockages sa inyong kaperahan. Maybe the reason why walang perang pumapasok, hindi kayo naka-attract ng pera, kasi naka-block, may mga blockages sa buhay ninyo patungkol sa iyong kaperahan. Okay? So, you need this. This is 850. Sa may gusto, mag-message lang po kayo. Okay? May kasamang ritual at dasal. Alright, Taurus. First card, you have the Four of Swords. Maybe ang daming pinag-iisipan. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo hindi makatulog sa kakaisip kung paano magkapera. Okay, nahirapang makatulog dahil walang pera. Pinoproblema talaga ang pera. Okay, lahat tayo namumroblema ng pera. Lahat ng tao sa mundong ibabaw, pinoproblema ang pera. Okay, totoo yan. Okay, natural yan. Kasi lahat ng pangangailangan natin, binibili. Walang libre sa panahon ngayon. Okay? Walang libre po. Kaya talaga namang naintindihan ko kayo. You have the devil. When I see, every time may nakikita akong devil, you are surrounded with dark forces in your life. Maybe, pagdating sa yung kaperahan, it's either may nagko-control sa inyo, binibigyan kayo ng malas, kinukulam dahil parang kinukulam para hindi magkapera. Alam mo yun? Parang ginawang kayo ng parang black magic. Okay? Maybe you really need this. Okay? Pangtanggal, pangalis sa mga blockages na yan. Maybe isa yan sa mga blockages kung bakit hindi kayo magkapera dahil may mga dark energies surrounding your finances, surrounding your business, surrounding your alam mo mga feng shui, ganon. Kailangan sigurong you need that kind of strategy para maganda ang pasok, ang daloy sa iyong kaperahan. Okay? Totoo yung mga yan. You have the High Priestess. Okay? And you have the Death card. May mga pagbabagong mangyayari sa finances ninyo. Okay, for some of you, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, may pagbabagong mangyayari sa inyong kaperahan. Okay? This is usually good changes. Okay? May marireceive kayong news regarding sa business, career, or money. Maybe some of you makakatanggap ng pera. Okay? Makakatanggap ng telegrama. Expect some messages this September. Parang cheque, sobre, telegrama, allowance, something like that with the Eight of Wands. Na nakikita ko. Okay. Ayan. Now, when it comes to High Priestess, there's something you don't know. may hindi ka alam, there's something hidden about in regards to your finances. Maybe it's definitely some of you are very anxious na anxious kayo when it comes to your finances. Taurus, madami kayong hindi alam, and some of you are galit dahil yung iba sa inyo feeling nyo tinatago. Alam mo yung feeling na parang when it comes to your money, when it comes to kaperahan, in regards to your money, kung ano man yan, business, or, I don't know. Okay, ayoko maging specific kasi this is general reading. Parang, it's either pinagtataguan ka, or hindi sinasabi sa'yo lahat. And, parang sinisikreto sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Okay, alam mo yun, yung parang may tinatago. There's something you don't know. Okay? And I feel like with this September, malalaman mo yun. Some of you are magagalit. So, iwasang magalit Taurus with this devil. Okay? I feel like a lot of you Taurus, you need to clear your energy because you are surrounded with toxic thinking. Negative thinking. Iwasang mag-isip ng hindi maganda regarding money. Basta about sa money ninyo, yung iba sa inyo magagalit dahil feeling nyo may hindi sinasabi sa inyo, parang sinabi mo na. I'm gonna give you an example, Taurus. Okay, kunyari may umutang sa inyo, if you are a businessman, businesswoman, nagpaparenta ka ng apartment or nagnegosyo ka, and then may umutang sa'yo, may hindi pa nakapagbayad, something like that, and then nalaman mo, somewhere, I don't know, through social media siguro, o may nakapagsabi na, alam mo, si ganito, ganyan, may nagkapera last week, ganyan. Tapos, tinanong mo siya noon, tinanong mo yung tao na yun kung magbabayad na ba siya or kailangan niya ng pera, ganito, ganyan. Tapos sinabi niya wala pa siyang pera kasi ganito, ganyan. Pero nakita niyo sa Facebook page kung saan nagpupunta, pumasyal sa Hong Kong, nagpasyal, bumili ng iPhone, chuba-chuba, kung anong pinagbibili, magagalit ka. Something like that. That's in that scenario. Parang something like that. Close to that example. Okay? But anyway, with that, kasunod nito, the good thing is we have Death card. Okay? Now, the Death card is a card of transformation, transition, and changes. So, yung iba sa inyo, may pagbabago. I don't know if anong pagbabago yan. For some of you, it's good. For some of you, it's bad. But definitely, you can expect a letter or a message. A message that would change your aspect regarding money, finances, and business. Okay? Nakuha tayo ng advice or messages from your angels regarding sa iyong sitwasyon, regarding sa iyong money, kaperahan, business, or yun nga, career. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo is ang narinig ko pa, okay? Some of you, yung iba sa inyo is nalulong sa sugal. Kaya namumblema kung paano ibalik yung ininvest ninyo. Ininvest sa parang, I don't know, cryptocurrency. Nalulong kayo sa cryptocurrency. Para ang dami nyo nang na-invest sa cryptocurrency na parang walang bumabalik. And then namumblema ka, paano ko na maibalik yung na-invest ko? Something like that. Or maybe if not cryptocurrency, some sort of sugal. Gambling, lotto, or something like that. Okay? Baraha, kung ano mang klaseng sugal yan, addiction. Okay. Spirit guides and angels, what's your advice for our Taurus regarding their money, career, and business? Release jealousy. So, yung iba sa inyo Taurus, wait lang. Yung iba sa inyo Taurus, nagsiselos. Okay? Naiinggit, nagsiselos. So, sabi dito, i-release nyo yan. Okay, i-let go, huwag kayo dapat magselos. Okay, sabi dito, jealousy is an affirmation that you don't have something, and the universe manifests exactly as you affirm. Let other people's successes inspire rather than frustrate you. If they can have it, so can you. So wala kang dapat ipag feeling na yung parang inggit, okay? Especially if you are moon in Taurus. Mga moon in Taurus, sila yung madaling mainggit. If you are a sun in Taurus, hindi masyado. If you are a moon in Taurus, okay, mostly sila yung parang may feeling na inggit. And Mercury in Taurus and Venus in Taurus, sila usually yung medyo maiinggit, okay? But anyway, so ayan, iwasang magselos. Next, you have windfall of abundance. An increase in abundance is arriving in many different forms for you, Taurus. Some of them unexpected. Be open to receiving and know that this abundance comes to you to support your life, purpose, health, and charitable work. So ayan, may abundance around December siguro. May perang darating. Windfall, pag sinabing windfall of abundance, malaking pera to, malaking halaga. Okay, para sa iyo, oh my goodness. Next, you have visualize abundance in all forms. God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings. And that is what you will experience. So, ayan. I-visualize mo lang daw kung anong mga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, sa kaperahan mo with regards to your money, business, career, Taurus, kasi tutulungan ka ng Panginoon, ng ating Panginoon. Mag-pray ka lang lagi. God gave you such great spiritual power. Okay? That everything, lahat ng mga i-visualize mo will come true, will become reality. So, ayan, magdasal ka lang daw, okay? Next, you have pay yourself first. Parehas kayo ng Aries. Halos parehas kayo. Okay, sabi dito, make yourself your most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income every time you are paid. This loving form of self-care ensures that you'll have savings to invest in your present and your future. So, ayan. Mag-ipon daw ng pera, Taurus. So, kailangan nyo mag-ipon. Yan po ang mensahe at advice. Okay? You have here at the bottom of this deck, donations, the tithing, and charitable work. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, may charity, yung nagbibigay ng pagkain o yung namimigay ng mga mahilig mamigay ng mga gifts or mapagbigay, lalo na sa mga bata na sa lansangan, yung mga nanlilimos, ayan, binibigyan ninyo ng pagkain, pera. Some of you are doing charitable work. So, thank you for your service, no? Okay, masaya sa'yo, masaya mga guardian angels ninyo. So, ayan po, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang mga mensahe at advice sa'yo ng Spirit Guides patungkol sa iyong kaperahan, business, and career. Okay, so may gustong mag-avail ng ating mga items, lahat po yan may dasal at bisa. Okay, galing sa akin, may blessing po. Available pa rin ang ating napaka-powerful all-in-one bracelet. This is 700 pesos. Pangkalahatan po yan. If you are kinulam, okay, kinulam ka, takot kang makulam, gusto mo naghahanap ka ng panangga or protection sa kulam, you need this. Black tourmaline, okay, 2-in-1 po yan. This is 1,000 pesos. Protection at panggamot sa kulam. Okay, if you are naman, if may sumpa sa pamilya ninyo, lahat ng mga items na to, by the way, mga madam and sir, pwede nyong ipamana sa mga apo, sa anak ninyo, pag kayo na ay pumanaw na at sumakabilang buhay, pwede nyong ipamana. Okay, this is 1,900 pesos for ancestral healing necklace. Okay, may instruction na gagawin doon sa envelope na kasama nito. Alright, I'll see you next time po. Maraming salamat. God bless, ingat, and paalam.